have an awesome video in your gallery that you want to share on Snapchat Spotlight. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload a gallery video to Snapchat Spotlight quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your Snapchat camera or Snapchat app. Now tap on the small gallery icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen, or simply swipe up. Now once you're in your gallery, browse through your videos and select the one you want to upload Spotlight. Now that you've selected your video, you can edit it using Snapchat built-in tools. You can trim the video, add text, stickers, filters, and more to make it stand out. Once you're happy with the edits, tap on Done. Now tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner. This will bring up the option to submit to Snapchat Spotlight. Then click on Snapchat Spotlight. To increase the visibility of your video, add a catchy caption and relevant hashtags. Once you're ready, tap on Send and submit your video to Snapchat Spotlight. Your video will now be reviewed by Snapchat before it gets published. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a gallery video to Snapchat Spotlight. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.